What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Rusty and we are back with this 2020 Volvo VNL 760 rebuild. And as you guys don't remember from our last rebuild episode, I'm just gonna link it down below just in case you guys forgot. We already did the rear suspension, so this was kind of a pain in the butt. Everything's super heavy, and I've already installed these wheels right here, and these things are pretty much ready to go. I torqued down the lug nuts and all that stuff, put my little flares on, everything like that. So the rear end is good to go, except, you know, alignment and stuff like that. So yeah, rear end is done. Next things is pretty much the cab. If I didn't explain to you guys before, we kind of got this thing and the cab is slightly wrecked, and yeah, there you go, damage right there. We got 2 new doors over there. I already started working on it because, man, just recording and working on semis is yeah, it's kind of a hard thing to do. So I already just deleted this plastic part right here. This is the new style and this is the old style. So yeah, it looks pretty ratchet. I, you know, like the new style better. These are our doors we've got from the junkyard guy, if you guys remember from the other videos. And yeah, we took a little stuff apart here and there, you know, cut some stuff right there. Doesn't matter, we're gonna have to use the new wiring from that damaged door onto these used doors. These doors are, I think, from a 2016 model or something like that. All the Volvo doors are the same, if you guys didn't know. Here you go, you know now. They're all the same, just on the outside they're the same, but the inside they're not. So, you know, you gotta kind of mess with stuff here and there. Not a big deal. So we're gonna get to that in this episode. We're gonna try to pretty much dissect these doors, install the new doors, because these doors are already ruined, they need to go. And when we install the new doors, we need to align the doors and the body of the cab to the doors. So yeah, it's a lot of work. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started for you guys. We're gonna take off this piece. We have to take off all of these plastic underguards right here, because when we, you know, take off this cab, we need to pretty much have all that removed. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Enjoy the ride. Is this wiring right here the hardest part of this rebuild right now? Oh my goodness, it's just insane how I can't get it out of this hole. Ah,
Держи.
Туда сразу. Alrighty, we have removed the doors, kind of put this up because it rained like a second ago and now it's 120 degrees like always. And yeah, let me show you the doors real quick. We're over here at the junkyard place of our shop area type of thing. These are the good doors right here. So we got everything switched over, pretty much all the locks, all the regulators, everything like that, all the new rails, pretty much all the guts and wiring is gonna be brand new on this, except the shell is gonna be the older models. This is the damaged doors. Pretty much we got them stacked right there. And yeah, what the heck is this? This is a 2006 Caterpillar excavator. It's a mini excavator actually. It is the 301.8, whatever that means, with the diesel engine. You guys want to hear it run? Alrighty, enough of that. Yeah. Why did I purchase this? Yeah, so there's a little thing that happened. Obviously, you guys see a lot of stuff being moved around and stuff. Yeah, this is a couple weeks later, obviously, since the last fast forward of me taking off the door and stuff like that. Yeah, this is a couple weeks later because this is all my side gigs and stuff like that. I actually bought this off a government auction. It's military equipment gets sold there and stuff like that. This was a rental. I think that was used in a military base. I'm not quite sure. I was gonna do a whole video on this thing of how I bought it, how I got it here, how I changed one of these hydraulic lines right there that was leaking. We also have an issue with this bucket right here. It's been worn out a little bit, but she's a good excavator. I did buy it for a reason. I don't know if I should tell you guys why or why not, but yeah, there goes another equipment right there. I could show you inside, which I will, but there's another thing. We bought a new Heister forklift 60 right there. This is pretty heavy duty one, also from the military auctions right there. My dad working on a day cab that he bought not too long ago, doing his thing there. Also, we have another military forklift right there. Yeah, this thing is a beast. It's pretty sweet. You guys can tell US military property right here. Because yeah, we got this. I don't know if I'm allowed to say it, so I'm not gonna go into details. We have this thing going on with these military pretty much auctions that we buy these things from, and yeah, it's kind of interesting, so I'm not allowed to talk about it exactly, but yeah, I'm allowed to show you one thing though. General Lee over there at the base allowed me to get into this thing and show you guys the inside a little bit. This thing is pretty sweet. Self-inflators right there. We're gonna get inside, maybe this side or the other side, show you guys a little bit of the inside. This thing, much wow. Oh yeah, open that up, and then he showed me there's like this lever over here. It goes up, and then you pretty much fold this down into a step, and then you crawl right in. Man, big people with all of this gear supposed to fit in this little tiny, feels like a bomb shelter, but look, one goes here, one goes here, one here, one there. 4 people can fit into this thing. OMG. Yeah, so no weapons on board, guys, so can't really show you the pew, you know what I'm saying, but there goes their signs. It's pretty sweet stuff. I need to close this actually because it opened on us while we were driving and delivering this thing. So, oh yeah, I forgot this thing was stuck on us. All right, I'll close it a little later. I just don't know, this is so not comfortable. Look at your visibility. That's all you get. I mean, if you don't get bombed, that's all that matters, right? We got all these little optics you can look through. Oh, why is it jammed? I gotta look at that. But yeah, there she is, boys. Yeah, I would tell you more about this military stuff, but I really cannot without the permission of Lee over there. But yeah, let's go back to the Volvo, I guess. Yeah, and this will be continued because I have a video idea for you guys. It has something to do with demolishing something. So yeah, there's the doors completed, and next step is we do need to remove the cab, because I remember I told you guys I was thinking of pretty much placing the doors on as is and then pulling the frame of this right here, but I actually changed my mind. It's going to be a lot more difficult if we do that. We just went ahead and decided we're going to go ahead and unbolt this cab and then do it on the ground, and then they'll give me a chance to swap over this engine to this one. But there is some sad news, is that we have to end this video here without taking off the cab. I know, I barely did anything. It seems like I didn't do anything. Is that police? Crap, they're coming after me, man. All right, okay, I'm hiding under my truck right now. But yeah, let me explain something, that we have to take off this cab in the next video, because it's going to be taking off the cab and taking off this engine right here off the 2019 Volvo. Can't fit all of this in one video, so you guys have to forgive me for that one. But yeah, the video has to end here. I appreciate it, guys, for watching. Stick tuned for more rebuilds. I promise you this truck will get done. I know it's taken forever, and I've been, you know, holding off a lot of things. Just a lot of stuff happens, okay? And a lot of stuff I cannot record and show you, like, you know, just really busy with you know, real life stuff, trying to record as much as I can for you guys. I will not give up on YouTube. I promise this rebuild will happen. Everything that I can show, I will show, so make sure you stick tuned for that. Also stick tuned for my over the road videos, if you can count that. You know, I started that leasing truck thing, rental truck, whatever you guys want to call it. Stick tuned for that. Those are pretty fun. I show you guys my load rates for every load and stuff like that. So yeah, I appreciate it, guys. Be blessed, like always, and also, you know, buy my merchandise I have for sale. Deuces.